Median is known to you, 413.11. Total frequency is 1000. That is also known to you. You have to find this two question mark frequencies. Okay. So let us start. At the beginning, we assume this first question mark value is x and the second question mark value is y, just for assumption, so that we can find these two missing frequencies. Shuru, since total frequency, sorry, since first I look at table for calculation is better, because you know for calculation of median, cumulative frequency row will be required or column will be required. Cumulative frequency you have to calculate. For any median calculation, cumulative frequency is required, must. Table for calculation. So I write this cumulative frequency table column. Values, frequencies, CF less than 10. Okay. So that is 300, 325, 325 to 350, 350 to 375, 375 to 400, 400 to 425, 425 to 450, 450 to 475, 475 to 500. And the corresponding frequencies are like, you can write the values are 5, 17, 80, and write it x, 326, write it y, 88 and 9. And the corresponding CF so CF will be at the beginning we write it 5, then 5 plus 17, 22, then 22 plus 8, 80, 108, 120. Now 102 plus x. And next value, anyone? Any next CF? 326 plus 102 plus x. What will be that?
428
plus x. 428 plus x. And next value, 428 plus x plus y. And then again, 428 plus 820 plus 88.
516.
516 plus x plus y. And last,
525.
525 plus x plus y. Huh? So you can write the next column. Since total frequency equal to n, we know that symbolic representation of total frequency is n. That implies 1000 equal to 525 last value. Okay. Let's say this is n, right? This is n. 525 plus x plus y. That's as per the rule of the CF calculation. Total is this. So 525 plus x plus y is equal to n. Okay. That implies you can write x plus y equal to 1000 minus 525, that is 475. So you can write it equation number 1. This is the first equation. Remember, in this table you have two unknown, x and y. So you require two equations to solve it. Two unknown x and y are there. So two equation will be required to find the value of x and y. First equation is x plus y is equal to 475. Clear? Now equation number it is given that median is equal to 413.11. Okay, you know that, I think. I repeat again, median is given in the question as 413.11. So now how can you use this information? The median is given, so how can you use this information? Let us think, median is given as 413.11, right? That means you can conclude that this class is the median class. That is, this class is the median class. Because 413.11 lies within this class, upper limit and lower limit. So this class is the median class. I repeat again. At the beginning, since the total frequency is 1000, so we have get this equation. And since two x and y are two unknown, naturally we require another equation so that you can find the value of x and y by solving them. But the information, extra information that is given in the table or given in the question as median is given as 413.11. So let us think, median is given as 413.11. That means median class should be this, because you know median always lies within the class, median class. So it is called median class. So naturally 413.11 lies within this range, red shaded. Okay. So sorry. So we conclude that (400 to 425) is the median class. Okay. Now write it like this. Since median equal to 413.11, median class will be will be 400 to 425. So this is a median. Okay. Now using the formula of median, what do you have? Using the, so now from the calculation of median, what do you have? We know x tilde equal to 413.11. That is the formula is L1 plus n by 2 minus f by fm into I. So as L1 is lower boundary of the median class, that is 400. This is L1. This is L1, lower boundary of the median class. Plus n by 2 means we can write n by 2 as 1000 divided by 2, because we already know total frequency is 1000 minus f, the previous class CF. So this is f, previous class CF, by FM. FM is the frequency of the median class. FM is the frequency of the median class. So into I. I is the width of the median class. Width of the median class is equal to 25. So these are formula. We have generated a formula which involved only x. Luckily, the median formula involved only x unknown, only one unknown, that is x. And so this from the this formula about this equation we can easily find x, and then putting x in the equation 1 we can get y. So this is a quite simple calculation. Let us check. Start. Replace 413.11 minus 400 equal to এবার হেল্প লাগবে বাবা ক্যালকুলেশনের। ম্যাডাম শুরু করে দাও হেল্পটা, বাকিরা ঘুমাচ্ছে বোধহয়। -102 minus x, ভুল হলে বলিস যে ক্যালকুলেশন মনে হয় ভুল করিনি, দেখছি চেষ্টা করে। নাও আপার পার্ট কি হবে, মাল্টিপ্লাইড করে দিয়ে একবার, হ্যাঁ, ইনটু equal to 25 into 500 minus 102 কত হয়? 396, 398 minus x. Then বলো এবার।
স্যার LHS টা হবে 4273.86
আবার বল, নাম্বারে বল, ওই
4273.86
আর রাইট সাইড 25 into 398 minus
স্যার 9950
9950. That implies the 4273.86 minus 9950 is equal to minus 25. বা উল্টো দিলে প্লাস, দুটোই বোথ সাইড প্লাস করা যেত, যাই হোক। That implies লেফট সাইড কত হচ্ছে?
5676
minus
0.14
5676.14 equal to minus 25x. That implies x equal to 5676.14 divided by 25. কত হয়?
227.0456.
Remember, frequency is always an integer, so you have to convert it to the nearest integer by rounding to the nearest integer. আবার বলছি, সব সময় যে এই রাউন্ডিংটা করতে হবে not necessary. In this case, we know x is a frequency. X is a frequency, so we have to convert it to the integer value. Frequency integer ছাড়া কিছু হয় না। So rounding to the integer value, and from 1 চলে যাই, from equation 1 টা কিছু লাগবে দেখে নি। I think 475 x plus y is equal to 475. This is the equation 1. X plus y equal to 475. So from 1, x plus y equal to 475. That implies 227 plus y equal to 475. বলে বলে ম্যাডাম কত হয়?
248.
So answer লিখে দাও, হয়ে গেল। Hence missing frequencies are 240, ওই একই ব্যাপার, 227, 248. Hello. So this is one type of missing frequency concept. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Bolo? Okay. So we go to the next topic, like regarding median. এখনো median আমরা median থেকে বেরোইনি. Now we are median regarding median. We are dealing with, say, some useful observation regarding median. So what median actually do? You see, when you calculating the median, so whatever may be the case, either maybe the continuous case or maybe the discrete case or maybe the simple observation case, we are going for the 50% item calculation. 50% why? Because n by 2 items below it. Write it, write the line. You see the we write the line. Median has n plus items below it. Then we always get, for this example also, when you try to calculate the median, n by 2. This is 1000. N by 2. This is. So we are going for the n by 2 item. N by 2 means 50% value. So this is the basic. So median has n by 2 item below it. That is, n means if you n with the total number of values, that is n means 100%. N by 2 means 50%. So that means when you find a median for a particular data set, the 50% of the values of the data set less than the median value, and 50% of the values of the data set is above the median values. 50% items below the median, whatever may be. That's, for example, for this case, say find the median income of the following income distribution. A simple example. Find the median income of the following distribution. So monthly income and so on. So below 100 is this, above 100 and so on. So we have to, what we have to do actually, the income, average income. And using, to find the average, we use the median calculation, right? So find median income. So if after getting the median, what is the median value? 209.91. So it is the median value. What is the interpretation of this? What is the meaning of this? 209.91, but 209.91. The meaning is, if we go through the monthly income scheme, like monthly income slab, below 100 and up and above 800 and above and so on. So 209.91 indicates that 50% of the pupil, total number of people is what? Total number of people is 1210. So 1210 is the total number of people whose income is calculated, total number of family, sorry, total number of family whose income, monthly income is calculated in this particular example, and 1210 number of within 1210 number of families, 50% families income is less than 209.91. 50% families income, that is 50% family means 605. 605 number of families income on an average is less than 209.91. And naturally, in the reverse way, 50% families income, that is 605 number of families income, is greater than the median value 209.9. So that is the interpretation of the median. It is, although it is a average, but in true sense, median is the best measure of central tendency, because it calculates the midpoint of the distribution. On an average, it is calculated the midpoint of the distribution. There is 50% people above the median value, 50% people below the median value, 50% data above the median, 50% data below the median. For this particular example, also you can see when you calculate the median as 209.91, that means the 50% family's income is less than 209.91. 50% family's income is greater than 209.91. Although the income varies from 800 above to below 100, whatever may be the income difference or income slab, but 209.91 is the rupees 209.91 is the income value. This is the median value, so that the 50% people's income is less than the value, 50% people's income is above that value. So that is a huge interpretation, it is a big interpretation. India gets a buffer. For India, if you get the median value of income is roughly 1 lakh. What is the interpretation of that? For India, if you get the median income is 1 lakh on an average in the for case of India, 1 lakh. That means 50% of people of India whose income is less than 1 lakh, 50% is above the 1 lakh. And you can say for America, let's think for the case of America, USA, you see the median value of the income is, for example, 2 lakh. What is the meaning of that? It's the same logic. 50% of the people of America whose income is less than 2 lakh, 50% of the people of America whose income is greater than 2 lakh. Okay, that is the basic interpretation of the median. Other than the median, so there are some other calculations like quartiles. But let us go for the advantage and disadvantage of the median. After that, we have to go through the what is the meaning of quartiles 1 and quartiles, etc. The biggest advantage of median is the extreme observation do not affect it. Whatever say for extreme observation means, say median always calculate the middlemost value. So extreme observation means extreme values have huge frequency. Say for example, 800 and above has large frequency, like the maximum frequency in the this class 800 and above, or maximum frequency arise in the first class below 100. This does not affect the median calculation. But if there is some extreme values, mean, arithmetic mean will be affected by the presence of extreme values. আবার বলছি এক্সট্রিম ভ্যালুস হচ্ছে একটা অদ্ভুত জিনিস, এক্সট্রিম ভ্যালুস কনসেপ্টটা, বাট এটা ছবি আঁকি তাহলে ওটা ক্লিয়ার হবে ব্যাপারটা। If we draw this, we can X and we can F frequency, and if we try to draw this like frequency polygon or something, X versus F. So below 100, say this point is say assuming below 100. This point is assuming 100 to 150, for example, and this point is below 100. You can like assuming this is 50, and this is 250, and this is 400. This is midpoint. Midpoint of 700 something. 650. 650 is the midpoint, and this is roughly 850. 850 for this. If you plot and then if you get some 50s here, this value is 50, so 50 is here, then 500 is here, or roughly assume 500 is here, 555 is here, 100 is here, 3 is here, and 2 is here. So if you draw them, you will get a curve like this, roughly. So this is if you got the frequency polygon, তাই তো? আশা করি মনে আছে, আমরা বহুবার পড়েছি এগুলো, আমি অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে ছিল। If you draw them like this, so this is the basic nature of any standard frequency distribution curve. That is, always this frequency distribution curve looks like this. Not like symmetric, almost a bell-shaped type like this. That is lower value, lower frequency, higher value, lower frequency, middle value, high frequency. I repeat, this is the standard characteristics of a frequency distribution pattern. The lower value, lower frequency, দেখো নিচের দিকে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সিটা কম, উপরের দিকে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সিটা কম, মাঝখানে ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি হাই। দিস ইজ দ্য স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স অফ এনি টাইপ অফ ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি। এটা আমাদের হিউম্যানের ক্ষেত্রে হয়। তুমি যদি ইন্ডিয়ান হাইট গুলো দেখো, আমাদের হাইট ভার্সেস আমাদের ম্যান পাওয়ার ক্যালকুলেট করো, ধরো তুমি একটা স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স নিলে যে দেখবে 5 ফুট টু 6 ফুট হাইটের নাম্বার অফ পিপল সবচেয়ে বেশি, বিলো 5 ফুটও কম, অ্যাবভ 6 ফুটও কম। অ্যাবভ 6 ফুট ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি লো, below 5 foot frequency low, 5 foot to 6 foot frequency is maximum. So this is the standard. This is called one type of bell-shaped pattern. BE double bell, bojo bell ei bell. Bell cycle bell chano ring hoy. Bell-shaped pattern. এই টাইপের দেখতে মাথার মতন ডিম, মানে এই lowest case lowest frequency, highest case highest frequency. Most of the frequency distribution is looks like this. But when there is an extreme case matlab ki? What is the meaning of extreme case? Extreme case means the frequency distribution pattern will be looks like this roughly. So this is the extreme frequency case, like the lower value is high frequency. The lower is a high frequency and the lower cases. So there's an extreme frequency distribution pattern. If you try to draw, similarly, there is another extreme. For example, this is also extreme frequency distribution pattern. Higher below higher frequency. In general, this is not the standard characteristics of frequency distribution pattern. Real practical application এরকম হয় না কখনো. But you see here, maximum frequency arises in the extreme values, either in the upper limit case or in the lower limit. Luckily, in this example, there is upper limit. So extreme frequency, if there is an extreme frequency cases, median is not affected, but mean is affected. Arithmetic mean is affected in that case. Biggest advantage of median is that extreme observation do not affect it. For computation of the median, it is not necessary to know all the observations. You see this. All the observation values is not required. Like below 100 means what is the lower bound? I don't know. And that is not needed in the calculation of the median. 800 and above, what is the upper limit? I don't know. But also that is not needed in the calculation of the median. But if you try to calculate the arithmetic mean, you have to record 800, find the mid value. You have to record the mid value of all classes. So naturally 800 and above, what should be the upper limit? And so that you can find the mid value. And what is the below 100? What is the lower limit? And so that we have to find the mid value of that class. For the case of arithmetic mean, you have to calculate them. For the case of median, all observations are not needed, and this property comes in handy when there is an open-ended classification, as I told already. When there is an open-ended classification, and also median is most important case. Median is suitable for the qualitative data. আমি প্রথম দিন ক্লাসে বলেছিলাম, median is qualitative data means, say the monthly income, say this is the monthly income versus number of frequency, number of families. Say the distribution pattern is looks like this. Say for example, the distribution is behavior versus number of people. So behavior is good, the qualitative variable, good, normal, bad. Three type of characteristics behavior. A number of people, say 50 number of people, behavior is good. Normal is most of the 80 number of people, normal is good, and there is 10 roughly. So total number of people I observation, total number of 140 people, and out of 140 people, 50 people have good behavior, 80 people have normal behavior, and 10 people have bad behavior. So how can you calculate the average behavior of that set of people? How can you calculate? So only median is the only possible way. Mean, arithmetic mean is not possible in this case because the variable is qualitative, right? Value of the variables are good, bad, normal, etc. They are not quantitative 1, 2, 3, 4 or other integer or fractions. So in this case, value is qualitative. So in median is only possible to find the average characteristics of the behavior, either the good behavior, set of repeats are the good behavior, or the bad behavior, or the normal behavior. Now some additional points যেটা আমি বলতে চাইছি মূলত আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে এটা নিয়ে ডিসকাস অঙ্ক করব দাদা median divides the distribution in two equal parts, right? We already know that median 50% population lies that less than median value, 50% above the median value, so it is 50-50 calculation. So median divides the distribution in two equal parts. When a distribution is divided into four equal parts, that is, you know, in bank you see the terms like quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, right? So when a distribution is divided into four equal parts, they are called the quartiles. First quartiles, second quartiles, third quartiles, fourth quartiles, and so on. They are distributed into four equal parts. I have to explain in next class what is the meaning of the run. With an example, I try to calculate quartiles, etc., etc. But before that, also, if distribution is divided into 10 equal parts, then they are